Shri Bhagwati presents Lump Breaker. A lump breaker is a type of mechanical equipment used to reduce lumps or agglomerates in bulk materials. These lumps can occur in various materials, such as chemicals, food ingredients, pharmaceuticals, minerals, and more. The primary purpose of a lump breaker is to break down or crush these larger particles into smaller, more manageable sizes. Key features and aspects of lump breakers include: first, design and construction. Lump breakers are typically constructed with sturdy materials to withstand the forces involved in breaking down lumps. They come in various designs, such as single shaft or dual shaft configurations, and may have rotating blades or hammers. Second, operation. Lump breakers work by using mechanical force to break apart agglomerations. The material is fed into the breaker, where rotating blades or hammers crush and break down the larger particles. Third, applications. Common applications for lump breakers include processing materials in industries such as food and beverage, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, plastics, and minerals. In the food industry, lump breakers are often used to break up chunks in ingredients like sugar, salt, or grains. Fourth, size reduction. Lump breakers are designed to reduce the size of large particles or lumps to a more uniform and manageable size, facilitating downstream processing and handling. Fifth, customization. Lump breakers can be customized based on the specific requirements of the material being processed and the production environment. In summary, lump breakers play a crucial role in various industries where the reduction of large agglomerates or lumps is necessary for downstream processing. They contribute to the efficiency of material handling, improve product consistency, and enhance overall production processes. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.